Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you tired of losing your favorite branding assets, intros, and logos every single time you start a brand new video edit? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to saving your essential media directly into the permanent Camtasia asset library. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open your active Camtasia workspace to begin managing your professional video editing production layout. Step 2. Access Media Panel. Navigate to the upper left Options menu section and click directly on the Primary Media tab interface. Step 3. Open Asset Library. Look right next to your standard media bin and tap on the dedicated Library folder icon option. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Trigger Ad Mechanism. Move to the bottom section of the Library Asset panel and press the small Operational Plus icon button. Step 5. Select Import option. Tap on the Import Media to Library selection from the pop-up list to open your local drive. Step 6. Choose Target Assets. Browse your system file directory and precisely highlight the specific media elements you want to store permanently. Step 7. Confirm permanent storage. Click Open to successfully add your chosen photos, raw video loops, or audio themes into your asset archive. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.